This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Michael Cottle. A large living area awaits as you enter this 3-bed 2-bath home. All new flooring has been installed on the entire main level, and a new stairwell to the basement has been built. Master bedroom is located on the main floor. The main level bathroom has a laundry chute to the basement laundry room. From the deck you will have seasonal lake views, and in the evenings watch deer as they travel through the yard. The lower level of the house consists of a den, 2 bedrooms, laundry room and a bathroom. Outside the den there is a private fenced area that consists of an outdoor living area, with a pool and hot tub. House is in a country setting near the Norris Lake, and only 6 miles to Jacksboro and LaFollette. 2 public boat locks are a few miles away, along with the Cove Creek WMA. For more information, review the details below or contact Michael Cottle at 865-693-1111.